Everything can be stopped, except the power of a shared dream. The E80 Group was founded in 1980 by 5 friends. We developed the first 4.0 factory in 1992, and throughout this journey we are now up to 1,500 employees and an international company. Today, we are a global leader in the development of integrated factories, where approximately 2,800 robotic systems, over 9,000 laser-guided vehicles of various types, and more than 50 high-density automated warehouses operate. We do this globally with great success. We chose Lenze as our partner because we need great quality, availability, and above all, flexibility to develop tailor-made systems for our clients' success. Beyond the high-quality products, Lenze has also been supporting us perfectly in terms of after-sales service. Until today, I believe we implemented over 40 high-density warehouses with Lenze, with a total of 176 operating stacker cranes. I think we have achieved an exceptional result in just a few years. All customers trust the E80 Group. Presenting our sophisticated systems together with partners like Lenze strengthens our credibility.